Hi, my name's Matt, and this is another Maya quick tip. If you've ever found yourself needing to model knurling on an object for things like a thumb screw, this is an easy way to model the detail. However, I will warn you, this is a very high polygon process. It can be a heavy load on your machine, so this kind of detail is recommended to model out and then bake later on as a texture. But I'm going to show you how to make it. First, we'll start out with the cylinder, scale it up to the size that you need. From here, we're going to go to our poly cylinder. We're going to adjust our radius to about 40, and we're going to increase our subdivision height by about 8. And then from here, we're going to select our top and bottom faces and just delete them. Now, I like to go through and take this edge on top of this one, and I'll extrude them out a little bit just to give myself a nice border to work with. And from here, we're gonna go into vertex mode. In vertex mode, go into one of your side views, select everything but that outer edge. Once you have those selected, you're going to bevel the verts that you have. I'm gonna change this to 0.5. Depending on how you have your grid set up, this number may change. From here, we're gonna go to object mode and then hit merge. From here, we'll go back to our side view, go to face, select everything but our outer edge again, and then you're going to extrude. Under keep faces together, turn this to off, extrude, and then scale. You can see you get a uniform knurling pattern. You can stop here. You don't have to go any further. You can see that when you smooth it, you get kind of a dot pattern instead of like a nice cut knurling, but you do not have to go forward from here. But if you're looking for really high detail, this next part is kind of important. What you're gonna do is you're going to go to your edge mode, select all edges. You are going to bevel again. This is going to give you the support that you need throughout the model. Then what you're gonna wanna do is increase your segments to 2. And then from there, you have a nice supported knurled object. This is a very high polygon object, so I don't recommend doing this unless you absolutely need that detail. What I would recommend is taking this high polygon object and baking it onto a low polygon object to obtain that detail.